TikTokers ni bi ene Ghana for na abe clash with Ralph the Philogenian, Ghana First Alliance, Amaro Shakur mo, ene kofuko na omu ko shia demonstration against South Africans and South African owned companies in Ghana here no. Omu se masa, munya muye nyatwu, muye hypocrite, na muye self-centered people, self-centered interest people. Omu abe blàst wo. Bedu dwama mo ata so na kire wadwen e dia mame. Ewo comment section. Aha ipenya block media. Mesra say any demo. Obe like video na ma subscribe button, somebody click notification icon for latest updates. Somebody kire wadwen dia mame ewo comment section. Oba so a not sure for enya biahwe. So there's an ongoing xenophobic attack in South Africa. As omu affix 30th June. Any deadline set 30th June dey. Enuru ho no mo no. Wa oya foreigner bia owo oman no dey. Ene be so mu dey a. Wan hwe a. What I say? You be so mu dey ene. Nyame nko nim de ebeto ama je say attack there baby na an echo so at first na it began say omo hunt illegal immigrant omo those who have overstayed their permit, their staying permit, they have overstayed it, and those who hasn't renewed their papers, and those who traveled to the country illegally without having document they are hunting them. But now koduru say a document cry yeseko eti na so me bufo ni bi aba some of the other Africans emu etiba Ghana ha no mu a ebi ekoso what I say anything be squad be ebu off because na we Ghana for almost South Africa ha no mu a enkwasafo emu abu omu eprepre omu access omu niema e ma na obi kura ka say other foreigners no more South Africa no they've taken their sleep.
Just look at this thing, my bro. These are foreigners. The foreigners are in their houses, they're sleeping nicely, and we of South Africa, we are out here in this cold, catching cold, and these foreigners, they don't have papers. And just look at they're all sleeping nicely in the houses. They're sleeping really nice in the house. We are here outside. They must go back to their country. They can't come here to take our sleep from us. These are matters.
How can someone take away your sleep? Yes, I have here something which is serious. Yes, I dare go for we are Jimmy jealousy. Any what time and omudia sadian. No, omo pam foreigners. Foreigners may be stores any other day. Omo be stores or more workers. Omo juma honomo. Now and I'm so my Ghana for ni be so any penny be ebuofu. So it was on 10th June. And who's a flyer be go viral. After it say at the 11th June na Thursday na. There will be an ongoing serious demonstration against South African and South African owned companies in Ghana here. MTN, a South African owned company. And yes, I was South Africa almost run big business. Ha. Oko Takwa Goldfield now. Takwa Goldfield, a South African and a dano. What I say? I might say you leasing that agreement, man, while you're for like 30 years. It's in leasing agreement now. A bear spy next year 2027. If the Ghana for any as a Ralph the Philogenian, any Ghana First Alliance group, any Amaro Shakur money, some of the NDC social media activists, omu ye demonstration omu chire say MTN away, yam pam MTN for free Ghana hanum emo munko. Absa Bank, a South African owned company, and South African owned banks. Omo just say mo bianco save after Absa Bank. Young bank and young pam no munko.
Omanya sika. Office fair and omo pam Ghana for free South Africa. Said ye Jimmy Koto de Lebuda Nanya said the Yava Bomo no kun. Ghana ni ba na sit down for fair to say how South Africa. Bibi Samu, Ghana ni ba na sit down for fair to say South Africa. Mamu de omo babu de monya ho. Moti ye godu anya mu adodo de monya ho sika anya mu de si ada fair. Ya pamu ye. Ya bubu ko pere ni ye. Ya catch them next time no ye be demonstration ye be bo rawa sika bi e ye se be ye dia kwa
a South Africa company. Yes. Omunya aba be see. Yes. Ya we so oya Ghana ni a ensebu company we ye bet maka no. Ensebu ha. Omunya sika e dey to muko. Ensebu ha that means up say South Africa company no ekoso. Etu ensebu ha say bia you free ha. Ya dey yan ko bubu dan no. Ya Ghana for everyone so boycott Absa Bank. That's it. After bank, and Sebu,
and you know, it was so interesting because after bank I'm okay. A Ghana force can go ho. Is a moka say point say manager and owners and almost so a transfer among physical now to their country. No, this can be an equa. Now you're quite answer by because South Africa for the Omian Honor. I just mere shops. Omu Pamu one. I affect you Obia Okro, just that a nipple crabia, nebia shops no owners and F4 more and be affect you more. But bang it there. Eye tima before no esika na go to go bang na wa ha wunua kromani wunua Ghana ni na wa ha no empty amusi omunko se empty akwa ma amukọ demonstration na no obia yisu empty en bloggers amukọ ho obia de empty network e posting video obi si me nso bi obi me dey can post this video e wo YouTube obi kan say ye go empty en benya network forget it empty en ga empty wa ha no mukra no Ghana ye local network Vodafone kwa entimi no mun compete ye entimi eno mun compete network nye the whole Ghana telecommunication network Vodafone ye network nye ohoho MTN hoho South Africa ni arabe me better internet connectivity better network ayi so MTN because ye mpam omum kwa omukọ say omu company no hanom no ezanso bone be na de bra Ghana for it is even helping us. It is helping us. Yampa no munko say, ano mo say Takwa Goldfield. Say leasing agreement no soon let's say 27. Mama Hama and renew.
us. Let's go. This I can so you consent. Say you need to buy it. Chairman, we are signing mining licenses to people. Omode build you omukuo. Ya ko wa ya kato ko fi. Master, let's go for the minister. It is just calling the minister. Where should you say? Take my phone, call the minister. Take my phone, call the minister. We have to get to the minister. We need on the minister or the deputies. There should be some level of, we are working for the people. And I know the minister for us, so we are there for the people.
A senior legal advisor to the ministry, you pick the call. So I don't want you to come back and tell us, Mr. Makwanya, Goldfield CEO na Bahanoma. Me donya me se nko be jai do ye. Yeah. Se bi oba pe bro ni be sign contract kakra beba. Na wo tena ho. Obeba. Madam Hanum ya ba be jam mebu 12 or 16. Odi so me take case. Leadership of this country will never take the youth serious because you have given them the engagement. Say a political party party na ye we ya. Nka by now, the member city party aba. It's sad. You understand? If there is any communication, it's not much about that. The leadership should come. They should talk to us here. And you need to feeling like when you can say leadership in everything there's leadership. But you know that you to the leadership. Hold on. I love what you are saying.
Now once you say ya nyema Ghana ni Takwa Goldfield ho hodom na ye mine from Resantin no boni ben na nkofo na ye Ghana fo. I believe that I good say the Ghana ni am but omo mine no boni be so boy boni bia no ma pinpoint omo mine kwa Ghana nya so mfaso ene ka se nya omo so mfaso a mahama obedi ade ni bi kopɛn obedi na omo da so mine aden na one cancel that home agreement no and that's a question demonstration na course one e nipa ba commitment say almost self-centered personal interest and omo de be this demonstration na I know ana Ghana fo ni bi me am nipa soja one pa mo ngabra oloka hu bi omo abeke kan o ma dwen e da che rap the full Ghanaian Ghana First Alliance Amaro Shakur and omo maka omo that demonstration
Monya demonstration ema Ghana fo mpanifo empa adwuma ema emabunu nya mo de mo se apro ne musisi atiatia enam social media demonstration say South Africa fo nkom company singu wonim nyansan ka be ka che mahama say ana Ghana fo mpanifo say yes mo mpa adwuma ma yenye na South Africa fo pam ye Ghana fo ya South Africa fo pam wo mun PENYAH ni be pa no so wetima twe kamasi na nim akasem say na akwakoba dia ye be pa adwuma ma ye maburu ye mrate ne ye maya na je eti wraf ne sa kwase abema no there wasn't kamu ye nie demonstration mo Ghana penifo yi ye bre ekomo di ye ntimi ntwa land be maburu ye ho kire ye sofa eti mo pa adwuma ma ye nye amafo pam ye omkulo so na wasa twe kamera si wonum e ka kire South Africa for say kom kwasia na Ghana ho na wa adwe wo nyansa wo be create network am ya yusu mo de mo nhyɛ wo mabuforo mo sesa omo niam anko wo bete mo samia
abusuafo saa demonstration ya nkrofo yi nti obi antimi kan kyerɛ mo sɛ yɛnsɛm hunu no mu di no saa demonstration ya rafo ya why na wo sɛ Ghana youth no onim nyansa kyɛn obia no e wakofa nipa sesi di nati a omo yɛ demonstration obi antimi nsɔre kan kyerɛ mo sɛ ɛyɛ nkura asesɛm demonstration omo yɛ demonstration kan be no makoyɛ ne saa sa demonstration we hu be na hia emfa so be na wo so mu di nwanse ti e di abere mu kuro na nya mu kwa mu kuro mpo na mo bre Ghana fo fa kuro kwa demonstration na hu hia demonstration kan na yenya wo na ye president ye kan se na adodan kwa kufu ado teso no demonstration wo ye no ye bi ene o me hu se wo ye NDC ni e na demonstration se de hu hia demonstration na e di aho kire be sa beto Ghana so na wo ye na South Africa for mo pamo ye kan se Ghana for ma ba ha yi unim e kan se Africa countries a o mo dey respect amo man Ghana so mo attack ye no mo businesses wa ha o mo attack ye no mo nkrofo wa ha na ye nka ho hwe unim sign of maturity as aje we show no akwa fe ni passes akogina wa se ye ko demonstration hu afi no so obi animachi on se Ghana for ye tena se hu se sa demonstration we ebon on se ye tena se hu se sa demonstration we mfa so obi ani so obi animachi ene se mo de nkrofo says e ko ye sa de hunu no obi anso so because mu di nwansenati abre mu kuro sa amtie no office won bisa won say South Africa for do se na ye adwuma wo amanfo papa no mu e na mo se o madwuma amanfo maamenom unim krofo kura ye adwuma Ghana for potwo na ye adwuma wo
awa won obra mo hum picture we ye da soro ho no sen krofo ye omugu ho no ma o mo se enne ye wada we omo be demonstration no mo hwe omo yi enya Ghana for youth nti na omo be demonstration no na Ghana youth mo maya ni nda ho oye omo selfish interest intra because se mo be kaya nansan ya Amaro Shakur ono kwaje ni ka raf ekwaje ni de omo aka na omo nyina honom no bia kwaje ni de nti demonstration na omo kwaye no eye say yenye demonstration says because omo pese omo gisa mining concession no na omo de ba nipa ba ko pe ono na sponsor omo eno hu demonstration na ye kwakoye nti me nkwankoye sebi sa demonstration hununu emme ko ndeme na me ko pra masan apesika se me ko to aduru anom se wo ye Ghana youth a me say enye wunti na omo ye demonstration no se omo se eye wunti e na omo be sa demonstration na 24-hour economy almost promises se omo de ba na Ghana youth wanya adwuma ye endi sa ban fam bai eye omo aban omo complaining omo be demonstration ti aban se on fambra na youth nya adwuma ye anes for omo wie nursing training e free 2021 ebesi na omo tifie omo pa adwuma ye aban no fa omo aban no say sika say o maintain o stabilize city na 1.7 ohia dia wie ajada 111 na watimi finance for no onye nkofo we omo anye demonstration tia enkukwan kitinkiti aban we ka say odi ba NDC executive kura branch executive kura no omo anye bi ebi kura nya 5 binya 2 no oman complain ho aban we kukuru sika se ode kwa koto pad ba kwa ye 15 series no ya kwa koto almost 45 series times 3 nkofo we oba me complain ankyere oman me ye demonstration se baby a ekoye no e corruption na abam nti omo nhwemu na omo fa sika mre oman ye enne atijefa omo aye adwuma beye 17 months na yentua omoka nkofo we omo complaining akra nsuo yiri ye fa manfo besi nne yenye ho adwuma nkofo we me complaining ye omo antwa mfa mba media so kura se aban no hu se nsuo fa manfo nti onye ho adwuma omo anka omo selfish interest nti yenkoye demonstration na say yan lances yan renew san nkofo no lances na omo de be ma ye master eye no anti omo kwakoye demonstration no enye bibia man gain say ebia eyewu timamuni na wonya adwuma ye no eyewu nti na omkwakwa demonstration no memeti oyi me se wo ka se mempie nkwanko ye san kwase demonstration wo ya menkọ nti se wo de wo fi se wo be kwakwa ye be boa wo de a fine nanu ya timo market for ye demonstration wa ha eye press conference wa ha se omo titi ya adwuma no ye nya sa kwofo we ba akoma obipie abonte be ka se ye nipa bonefo a ye twa nnua no edi ko Niger ni Benin nti ma aban no mfiye nti se ya ye te ha no ne ye benya di no wo ka kire se ma wo mfiya na wo ba be ka kire me se me ma demonstration na South Africa for company e wo Ghana ha no ma yan renew o ma license ma wo na o ma je no a na wo de ma me companies a o mo de ma ni hwan mo no me o ma fa me ya me mra mba me ye sa ankwase demonstration no se ye gi company no wi a ye de ma me ana se o mo nimi wo hen ya wo ba employ me no mo bebre no mo bone e kwaso e wo aban we mu a e tie timamufo no muntimi ye demonstration gensi ye we na mahunu da ba na mo sia ase adwene timamufo ho ye mba
se mo be gede ama Ghana ni o se South Africa fo be ye o se ne tie no saa na e be ye mfaso bia ni so e ma so ma oman no e be ba ma mpanifo no enti there is no doubt se me ti we me ba be di machi se me kwa akoye dan kwase demonstration you know saa so na me nua bi odwene onim nyansa se me so ma me di machi akoye dan kwase demonstration ti ne ya ma na minim se e ba se ya ye kan nke benya mpanifo bi support o nyansa adwene omo ye adwuma bi now Captain Smart, a whole lot of Captain Smart at one other young close to MTN, young close to DSTV, young close to First One When Bank, young close to South Africa form a company be organ be young close to Kwasia. What Ghana has say now? Who be a campaign no Ghana campaign bay and was South Africa. One time Ghana numerous was South Africa sorry. Says we used to 360 to the extent of being PI business. Sikan kwana modepe, mompema o man mo pegu bottom and sorry kwan and was South Africa. Enti South Africa for ne hunu nyansa dwene temam for ne ho abebia adwuma mo ye no o man mu no. Na sai work na Jimmy nti no asori no abedu achi no akwa demonstration ni ashout adwuma ne down. Wo wi anu abetena fie. Na udi wo Jimmy oyere no ma no ne yere no ma emuana enuntina sam nkwase demonstration no mama a whole lot of Ghana ye ni network system bia adaya ye close to MTN se MTN close ne kwasea ba bia otie adwuma no ebesi de wa ye adwuma ba bia otie a oye adwuma no besi de wa ye adwuma munwini mienu network system unibi ye close MTN ene South Africa for enka omo because ye close no Ghana ha mo na ebe affect mo ono enka no enti de ote MTN office Ghana ni na oye adwuma wo MTN office no on sorry mra medi wachi enko Jimmy adaya South Africa for apam Ghana for e wo nti no yes ye pam wo mo enti madwuma ma ye no mense no ye anu ntimi sorry medi wachi enko demonstration a whole lot of wake up on GTV Ghana penfo antimi anto ama GTV fo anyi odwan osi ye close to DSTV senke close no Ghana ha se ya obesi de wa wake up no we nyina mu nsua nyansa Bible say lack of marriage my people perish and then penfo no sabi margin wo form and na we di say sankwase demonstration affairs ni egusu ni yem say ye jai bia no obekwa kwa demonstration biu he mokona se mokona unya wa asema Ralph kwase ampanyi no no wote no odi manim de mokoye no ontimi twitwa nye obekwa ni fie ukọ no kra ne de tire nipa nse ade se amoye na nye ntini pass mas munye ni se ya kwase awtwane aba bechew panyini bia anwena akra bi ho akra bi nso nwene panyini bi ho enti obi jimi na se apama obi free South Africa ba Ghana na se wonte ase a South Africa ne koka kire mu se onte ase e kono momo odwan obepam obi a me na meka nche ose pam no fa 2 minutes on se ne ko pam no President of Republic oni honom oni nyansa so obepam mo onim nyansa say ya pam ne nkrofo kan ya do ayakayaka de do mo fa mu ntron de contract won sign nya nipa adwen na da ni trim adwen na do mo president trim a o support share temamu fo mo pam mo nipa no sa adwen na bi na down so president trim enti se oron so be enhwe na se mo temamu fo mo be ya enye ho na akwa demonstration no also akwaje permit from police akwaje permit from we ho akwaje permit from we ho e dey na je permit ni we onye demonstration e dey na okwa akla and then one start here through fee so start through fee abenya man for mo mabo na fe we demonstration you must think twice
ubet ma kire wa adwene e dey amame e comment section I Penya Block Media Accra.